We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR release test questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question 25. Greg had a package of 14 stars to put on the 2 posters shown. He put the same number of stars on each poster, and he used all the stars in the package. How many stars did Greg put on each poster? 4 divided by 2 equals 7. So D is the correct answer. Question number 26. The fraction strips shown can be used to find equivalent fractions. Which fraction is equivalent to 2 over 4? We highlight 2 out of the 4 pieces in the row. Now, we'll find another row equivalent to the highlighted row. So F is the correct answer. Question num 27. Shelley needs tickets for rides at an amusement park. Based on the question, C is the correct answer because Shelley needs 2 tickets for each ride, because the number of tickets divided by 2 equals the number of rides. Question number 28. Which statement about the number 27 is true? G is the correct answer because it is an odd number.